Okay, guys, I am done with day 7 for Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures Advent Calendar, and this is the last of the days that I received for this calendar. So, also want to recap really quickly before I go any further. If this is the first time that you're seeing these videos for Dawn's Advent Calendar, just want to let you know and or remind you if you forgot that this is already sold out. So the videos that you're seeing are presented, they're either like tutorial videos for an item in the kit or like an inspirational video of things that you can do with the stuff in the Advent Calendar. So this is what again I have done for today, and kind of playing off of the craft colored cardstock that was used to make these gift boxes. I kept it kind of rustic. I kind of really liked that vibe. And I have two color combinations that I really like for Christmas at the moment. I like the pale green with the red like you see here, or I like the red with the pale blue. I'm not sure exactly where that came up for me, but that is the color combinations that I'm really digging this year. So that is what inspired this one, and because this is more of the rustic, I thought the pale green would work really well. So I brought in my Shabby Shutters by Tim Holtz in the Distress Oxide, colored both wooden embellishments in that color, and for the two gift boxes that were included, I edged it in the Shabby Shutters. I didn't want it to be too much because I didn't want the ink, the inking to take away from the focal point of the embellishments. So I just kept it really, really basic. And also I wanted to, because I was going to be gluing the embellishments on here when I decided what I wanted to do with them, I thought it would make it easier to go ahead and do one end of the box, glued it in place, and left of course the top part of it open so you can put in a gift card or whatever gift you wanted to put in there. And the same thing on here. This one end is not glued down because I thought having the box already kind of popped out into its shape, one, would make it easier to see how the embellishments would lay on it. And also, I was afraid if I glued these down while the gift boxes were flat, it might keep it from being able to fully open. Like it might compress it too much that you couldn't open up the gift box all the way. So that's why I just went ahead, did the ink blending on the edges and stuff, got the ends glued, and then went ahead and started assembling the embellishments. So just kind of a note on that, depending on what you might want to put in here, you might want to do the same thing to make sure that everything lays correctly or it doesn't keep the box from fully opening. Just a little side note on that. Okay, so this is what I have left. I did not use any of the wire in this project. It's a heavy duty copper wire. I did not use any of the glittery silver tooling that was included, but I did use a length of the red ribbon to make the hanging element for the ornament. So this is all I have left to use. And then I'll just do the quick overview of what I have done here. And like I said, I edged the boxes with the Shabby Shutters. Then before I attached the embellishments here, I took a length of the twine that was included, and I did use it all up, I believe. I don't think I have any left. But I did a little dab of glue, wrapped it around, then secured it with a little bit more of the hot glue. Then I came in, and I liked the way the little red jingle bell looked in the middle of the dried orange section, so I thought that was really cute. So that is how I did this one. And then for the Christmas tree, I took a length, smaller piece of that natural twine, wrapped it or threaded it through the jingle bell here, then wrapped the ends around and glued them in place in the back. And then I took a little bit of glue to keep this from sliding. I used a little bit of hot glue to keep the little jingle ball in place, and then I just did a dollop of the hot glue and completely attached the whole little embellishment to the little gift box. Again, just keeping it really simple. And then for the final thing, I wanted to make an ornament using up this last wooden embellishment. So I did a similar theme here where I attached it with the thread, although I don't believe it is threaded through. I think I just glued it right on top. I don't mean to sound vague, but it's like from doing this recap to having done the project, it's like 5 years in my brain. So I can't remember exactly now. I don't think I threaded it through. I think I did the wraparound method like I did here, glued the ends in place, then I came in and attached the jingle bell. And then I placed the 4 pine cones. You can see in the back there's a lot of hot glue going on, but these wanted to move a lot, so I had to go a little bit heavier to keep everything in place. So I put the four of the pine cones. I believe you get 5 in your little kit, but I put those on the ends, kind of like a star shape, and I was able to come in again with a lot of extra glue and add this to make the point of kind of the star image. But before I put this one on, I just took a little length of the red ribbon, made the loop, hot glued the ends of it together so they wouldn't keep flopping open on me when I went to attach them to the back of the ornament, and then hot glued that in place. And then I came in and added the final pine cone to finish off that kind of star image. So again, just really quick, really simple. There's a lot of things that you could do with this. So definitely have fun with it. You can bring in additional elements if you want, but with the exception of the peel-offs from the Love from Lizzie, I believe everything that I've used in the card kit for day 3 and today's project, I wanted to use primarily what came in the kit, if that makes sense. So other than the hot glue, I didn't bring in anything else for this, for the little gift boxes or the ornament. So super quick, not a huge project, but it was very, very fun. And as always, the links will be down in the description box below, so definitely be sure to check out Dawn's videos as well as the projects coming out from the other gals on the design team. And I think that's it. So you'll probably see various videos now come out for me making different things and stuff like that, kind of doing some mixing and matching. Sorry. But this was day 7, and this is my last official advent calendar video. These were the days that I received, the 1st, the 7th, and the 3rd. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully it did give you some good inspiration. Hopefully you guys are really, really enjoying the advent calendar, because it was absolutely packed with stuff. Dawn never does anything by half. So anyway, all right, that being said, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. If you're interested in some more content, here's a couple videos you might want to check out, and I will catch up with you in the next one.